It's not clear, I can't see what's in front of me. I don't know where to go from here. You write your words on my heart, so I remember, trust in the Lord, all your heart, all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take, which path to take, which path to take, which path to take. Your love is wide, your love is deep, right in front of me. You always